Less than 4 months ago, Greg Jeffrey was on the verge of getting liver cirrhosis. The 61-year-old Australian suffering from hepatitis C desperately needed a drug called Sovaldi to reverse the life-threatening condition. The problem was, each Sovaldi pill cost over 1,000 Australian dollars, and the total treatment regime of 84 tablets would have set him back by around $100,000. Desperate to source the drug at a cheaper rate, he landed in Chennai 3 months ago. There, he not only got the drug but bought it for less than 1/10 the price in Australia. The same treatment with the same drug in India is $900, Jeffrey said. Basically, as soon as I got home, I started taking it. Within 11 days, all my liver functions had returned to normal, and within 4 weeks, there was no virus detectable in my blood. I was essentially cured, he said. Jeffrey's story, now all over Australian media, has renewed the debate on whether life-saving drugs should be priced so high. Jeffrey is now helping other Australians in a similar situation to source the drug from India. The story is also a vindication of sorts for India's patent regime that is often criticized in the West for not honoring intellectual property rights in medicine. In January this year, India's Patent Office rejected the patent application for Sovaldi from US pharma giant Gilead Sciences on the ground that there was little evidence to show that minor changes in the molecule had substantially improved the drug. The decision opened the doors for Indian manufacturers to copy the drug and sell it cheaply. According to one report, 10 Indian companies were now making Sofosbuvir. 2 Hyderabad-based companies have reportedly priced their copied version at a retail price of Rs 19,900 per bottle of 28 tablets of 400 mg dosage, which is 1/90th of Gilead's price. Earlier, a study from Liverpool University had claimed that Sofosbuvir could be produced for as little as $101 for a 3-month treatment course.